ko maybe I should kind of start slowing down a little bit because I want to spend more time with the kids at home. So parang right now, I'll enjoy whatever comes my way. I'm still very choosy with the offers that are given to me, but I will kind of cut back a little bit. That is what I'm thinking of because I want to concentrate on raising my boy. You know, he's going to be a teenager, and then my daughter will be a teenager also in a couple of years. So, yeah, I will slow down a little bit.
You plan to do
Yeah, I plan to. So maybe give it maybe what 7 years, about 7 years. So hopefully, I'm still relevant.
Definitely.
Oh, definitely.
Kasi inaalagaan niya ang sarili niya, kaya tingnan mo, di ba yan, we have to give it to her, dahil inaalagaan niya talaga ang sarili.
Oh,
Miss Ginger, ayan, si Miss Ginger, I'd like to acknowledge
I
that.
have one more question
for Piolo.
PJ. PJ, given that your son is, sabi mo nga, a millennial, as a parent, how do you make sure that Inigo stays grounded? I mean,
Oo nga,
or
Papa
that he doesn't go off the deep end?
You know, bottom line there is upbringing, foundation. So kung meron naman siyang foundation, I guess when he turned 18, I let him do what he wants to do because the same thing that my dad did with us when we were younger. Pag 18 ka na, bahala ka na. You know, as much as I see him do things on his own, whether good or bad, I'm affected by it. But the thing that I try to implement between us is yung openness. Kasi importante na hindi mo siya ginajudge, importante rin na hindi ka niya ginajudge, and you're just there for each other. I think what helps is that hindi masyadong magkalayo yung edad namin, and he sees me go out, he sees me with people, so I just have to be aware. I just have to be aware of what he's doing and what I'm doing so as not to confuse him. Kasi ayoko naman di maisip niya na just because he has a cool dad, pwede siyang gumawa ng mga kung ano-anong bagay. But what grounds him is that yung faith niya, yung maganda sa bata kasi na-instill naman namin na maayos, you know, growing up, even in the States, with his family, with his mom's side. Na-shield naman namin siya sa showbiz, yung pagpunta niya dito, ngayon nag-aartista siya, he doesn't have a lot of friends. Bago sa kanya itong ganitong culture kasi doon siya lumaki sa States. So I just try to be present and I expose him because ayoko na maisipin niya na may pagkukulang sa sarili niya because he doesn't have, you know, a complete home. You know, he lives with his mom, he stays with me, so he has to balance a lot. But maganda yung nature ng bata and I'm really thankful for that. And just like every parent, pinang prayer natin na lumaki sila na maayos. And, you know, I'm grateful, I'm thankful to the Lord for that kasi maganda naman yung values ng bata. So we no worry for now.
Okay.
For now.
Thank you, Miss Tina. Piolo, thank you. Si Miss Ginger has a question. Can we use the mic na para medyo... Yan, you're
I know
on.
may mga interview kami, but maybe this is just for any of Asana you three
Okay.
would like to answer. Generally speaking, napaka-patriarchal ng society natin. So parang,
Spell,
so parang years ago, maybe a movie about a woman of an older character who's out, who's dating a younger man. Parang that might not have been accepted, no, or even considered. But what about our society now makes you think that the viewers are ready to see a woman take on a different role, maybe for G3, and then definitely for Papa P, ano ang mas attractive sa older women than the younger women?
Correct, sige. G3 muna.
I think also one of the reasons why we did this movies, we want to take away the stigma of the older woman falling in love with a younger man because both the characters here are single and they're very desirable. So like when we were thinking of for the role of Christy, we were thinking of an actress. I'm so sorry. We were thinking of an actress that's desirable to all ages, and we all came up with just one name. Kasi meron mga actresses na gusto lang ng mga bata, gusto lang ng mga matanda. But Dawn was the first one we thought about who's appealing to all ages. And Papa P naman is, everyone likes Papa P, as in, wala namang may ayaw kay Papa P. So, I think we wanted to tell a story of an older woman and a younger man that hindi ka mandidire pag nakita. Kasi meron talaga parang maski ako
Diri
mau-off.
talaga.
Mau-off kapag sobrang lola na.
Oo naman.
But of course, that happens now. Like I said, age is very fluid. Love is very fluid. Like, even in the States, diba? Like Demi Moore and, you know, those, yeah, and Sina J-Lo, they all have younger men. So why can it happen in the Philippines? So hopefully with this movie, we can equalize the genders. Kasi there's nothing wrong with an older man with a 20-year gap with a younger woman. So, yeah, for the woman din sana. Ganun din. So, sana mabago. And we want to take away the word cougar kasi it's so gross talaga.
Anong ipagpapalit sa...
Mature.
Pero ginamit mo sa script, sa movie. Okay. Papa P, younger women or older women?
Siyempre magkaiba yun. Older women definitely have more experience. Ang younger women mas may energy. So sa mga doon, hindi, I mean yun in terms of what they do. Like, I'm just saying, no, I mean, yeah, but the kind of energy, that they have, nakakapagod, and of course, yung not necessarily immaturity because women mature faster than men. So, parang, it's totally different. So, depende yun sa needs mo, depende yun sa needs ng tao. So, personally, for me, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Just as long as love is there, respect is there, trust is there, then it's complete.
Na-in-love ka na sa older women?
Oo naman.
Oo nga. Pero parang kasi daw si Miss Ginger.
Follow-up sino? No, and then my question to Ms. Dawn, I guess maybe seeing, not naman necessarily both spectrums kasi wala pa naman, doon, but what